Today I'm preparing traditional age-old recipe from Kerala for cough, fever and cold, that is Chukku Kaapi. Actually it's ginger coffee, but I'm not using coffee here, instead I'm using tea, so let's call it ginger tea. Let's go through the ingredients. Ginger is the main ingredient. I have taken a big piece cut into small pieces. Next is leaves of Indian borage or panikurka leaves. Actually tulsi is also one of the main ingredients. Since I don't have it, I'm not adding it here now. 2 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, some peppercorns according to the spiciness you can tolerate, a quarter teaspoon cumin seeds. I'm going to grind them all into a coarse paste in my mixer grinder. We need to add little water to make the grinding easier. Transfer the contents into a saucepan. I've added some water to the jar and pulsed it few times to get all the contents into my pan. Here I have added a total of 4 cups of water. Adding some coriander seeds, half-inch cinnamon stick, quarter teaspoon turmeric. Mix well. I've measured around 100 grams of Karupatti or palm jaggery and added it here. 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder. Stir it occasionally, and once the tea starts to boil, reduce the flame to low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Adding 1 teaspoon tea leaves. Increase the flame to high and stir occasionally. Let it boil for a minute and off the flame. Strain the contents and your Chukku Kaapi or ginger tea is ready to serve. I'll store it in a flask to have it throughout the day hot. I refrigerate the strained leftover, which is good for 1 more ginger tea to be prepared tomorrow, but make sure to add less water next time.